Rainy, 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 rainy. Rainy, 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 rainy. I'm going to look some apple on my tree to blend. Oh, the rain is falling. Yes, people, here in a fall, my people. Yes, some people. The okras them look nice. Them want the water. Yes, people, so you see that bush that was sprayed the other day, my people, so that I dry down and so. But I know so some farming I go on. Yes, my people. So I'm going down to the apple tree to see what's going on. Down there, down there, down there. Down there, down there, down there. Oh, mangoes. Down there, down there, down there. Down there, down there. Mangoes all around, people, you see? Look at that. Mango, mango, mango. Mango spoiled. It's too much. Too much mango, too much mango. Some of them have to spoil. See that fowl in the cup there? We call that a game fowl. Yes, people, this fowl, it's a game fowl. We fight and make money. Yeah, is it? Okay. He's getting room. By the apple tree, apple tree, apple tree. Wow. My goodness. It's a lot of apple, man. Spoiled. Ooh, you see that? Everything is falling. Falling, 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 people. Apple is falling, man. There we have mango. See? See that, people? We have mango there. All you can see it. The rain is falling. I shouldn't be doing this in the rain, you know. But I have to do it. See, mango, mango, mango. Mango. Yeah. See that there? You see a little peak? I'm gonna get it down from there. Okay? The people. Mango, mango, mango. Over there we have coconuts in the tree. Call it jelly coconut. See, people? I told you I was gonna get them down. The mango, the mango, the mango. Just the way I want them. I'm gonna blend these mangoes with ginger. Now I'm gonna get to the apple. Apple, apple, apple. Yeah, people, I'm gonna get some apple now. Okay? So stay tuned. Yes, people, so see we are here now. Apple, 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 apple. Yeah, Jamaican apple. Okay, people. So I'm gonna pick some apple to go and blend some juice. So this is the apple tree. This is our apple leaf, look. Yeah. This is an apple leaf. See? Rain is falling, that's why they are all wet. Yeah. So that is it. Yes, people, so I'm back. I'm out of the rain now. I'm back in the kitchen. We got a couple of apples here. We have a few mangoes. Now we're gonna make some juice with some ginger. Okay. So I'm inside the kitchen now. Today's meal is fry festival or fry dumpling, whatever you wanna call it, with stew peas with saltfish. So we're gonna do some stew peas with saltfish. Okay. Yes, people. So here we have the pressure cooker over there going. Yeah, the pressure cooker going. So stay tuned to see how I'm gonna prepare the stew peas with the saltfish and the fried dumpling and the apple and the mango juice. Okay, so I'm going to make 2 separated juice. I'm going to do the mangoes by themselves and I'm going to do the apples by themselves. Okay, so stay tuned. Yes, people, so here I am now. I'm gonna get busy. So here we have the red peas, cook and waiting. Yeah, so I'm gonna cook some stew peas with saltfish and fried dumpling. Okay, so I'm gonna come over here now. Here is the saltfish. We have a coconut milk powder I'm gonna use. Okay, so we're gonna put some pumpkin with that and some seasoning here. Okay, and then I'm gonna blend some juice. As I said, I'm gonna blend some juice. So stay tuned. We're gonna cut up my season. So here we have the Irish, we have onion, and we have sweet pepper. We have a Scotch bonnet pepper. This is a hot one. We have scallion. Here we have thyme and the pumpkin. Okay, so stay tuned. See, we have Irish, pumpkin, sweet pepper, onion. Yes, my people. So now just go on one of my people. I go show now I go on the saltfish over here. So good. This man is a piece of saltfish. Yeah. So now stay tuned. People, so see peas are cooked already. So remember now, I said I cook stew peas with saltfish. We're running some pumpkin and some Irish my people in that said way. Yes man, and some onion and sweet pepper and all those things. So you see that? And we have the saltfish as some people. See? So the saltfish and the pumpkin and thing them in it. So don't move my people in a forward there. So we have the garlic here, so I'm going to slice up my people. Yes, my people. So I'm going to watch how I go on carefully. Yeah man, just watch how I go on carefully, my people. So that is the garlic. Put garlic in everything in my people. And this is another scallion that. And I'll time that. And I know now look for this to see it. Scotch bonnet pepper that. So I make sure I split it. Yes, my people want it nice. Yes man, because anything when I kitchen I feel hot. So who can stay in the kitchen come out? And them so who can take it eat come out of the kitchen. Yes my people, so you see it? So everything I go cook now my people. So I soon make you see what I go on run it and cook all on my people. I just remember something to do. No move it my people. You hold on there. You hold on there man. Because I'm going too far in the rasta. Almost get in the rasta. See it on my people. At least I'm run go back. See it my people, so watch what I go on with it. I just put some in it. Yes my people, because I was the pan, you know, my people, but you don't know a coconut powder this, but an original coconut I love use, my people. Blend with the juice, but not funny, the same thing anyway you take it. So we have a story that me people. Yes, man. Yeah. This have a nice one done in a people. Yes, man. It's almost similar to ital stew in a people. You can't call it ital stew because saltfish in it. You understand? You have no rust out then and I'm saltfish. So this is not an ital stew, said you. You understand me people? Yeah man, so we'll cover up that and make that one boil. So this is the flour, my people. We're going to make some festival in our dumpling. Remember, no people, I don't know how no one call, you understand? Yes, my people. So that's the flour. This one, let me show you what we're going to eat. So this is the cornmeal. Watch carefully, my people. Yes, my people. I don't know slang going on, my people. We have a little bit of salt, not too much. We have a little drop of sugar. Yes, my people. And here we have baking powder. You use the amount of baking powder that you want to use, my people. You understand? Yes, because baking powder has to make it soft and nice. Yeah, man. And here so now we have some butter. Understand the people? Remember now, watch carefully. Okay, my people. So here is the butter here. Right. So I'm gonna slice up some butter there. Almost like baking a cake, don't people? Yeah man, this is the way I do it, so I call it festival, not dumpling. Yes, my people. Why do them thing different still? I tell I did not show now. Or him deal with it. And you have to know we have some vanilla last cut. See my people. Watch carefully and remember what I put inside that. And we have some coconut milk powder, said my people. Gonna make it nice, very nice, my people. So if you do it just like this, you can't lose. Right? You gotta win if you do it like that. Anyway, you go and do that, you have to win. Actually, that should have been secret ingredient, you know, people, but I don't understand we are sharing with the world. I don't know nothing that. Yes, man, because I soon with something I like to learn it, you know. Yes, man, so I don't have no problem with people. Coming right there, my people. Hold on. Hold on, right? We're gonna be there. Let's hold on. Yeah, this is what it was giving me problems. So here we have the vanilla, right? Vanilla, but I have to pull the thing off here, so it takes me a little time. So we're gonna use this now. We're gonna use 1, 2, 3 cup, 2 small cup, right? Yes, you see, so see, remember, I'm going to tell you again, the flour added, and then the cornmeal, and then the baking powder, and then the butter, and then the coconut milk powder, and then we have the Lasco in, and a little bit of salt, and a touch of sugar, right? So I'm going to show you how I do it now. Yeah, here we got the water here, right? So you're gonna do like this before you pour the water in. Just spin this around to get everything in one. Yeah, just like that. See? And you're gonna pour the water. You're gonna take your time and make it. See? Take your time, take your time. Hold on there because we have to mix this thing, right? We have to do like that, so you go and squeeze so the butter and everything can be everything. See? Yeah, people, you have some bikers outside here, crazy as a motherfucker. See my people? Yeah man, so I'm here doing that. So this is how you do it. See people, so this is it now. See? Yeah. Stewed peas with saltfish and pumpkin and Irish and all those stuff that you see me have there in the video. Yeah. This is it. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. So the next time you're gonna see me trouble this pot here. I don't know anything when I'm full time. I show my people, so watch out going over the aisle so you know. This is the aisle for the festival. We have pepper there and we have garlic. Okay people. So I'm gonna make some festival. You don't see me spice up that enough people. I can't dumpling you know. I name festival, I don't understand. But you can still call it dumpling because of flour making. That's what people. Yeah, man, so that's how we have the base thing alone. So if you are going on my people, this is it. That's my paper. So I'm going to rest it right here. Okay. I'm going to pinch a roll. Pinch a little piece like that. I'm going to do like this. Okay, then I'm gonna do like that. See my paper, and then we're gonna do like that. See? Then we're gonna fry it. So that's, as you can see, one is in there already. You can also make them longer if you want, people, but you don't need them to be any longer. Okay. As I said, everyone do their cooking different. This is how I do mine. Yeah. See people, so we are getting there. See that? Festival frying. Yes, the people. Festival frying, festival frying. Okay. Blending, blending, blending time, people. Yeah, juice time. We're gonna get going now with the juice. So remember, I told you I'm gonna do apple with ginger. Then I'm gonna do mango with ginger. Okay, people, so stay tuned. Mango time, my people. Come on, so see mango, yeah? Yes, my people, half ripe and green. So we are just bust him up, my people. We're not going to peel the mango because the juice we are making. You understand, my people? Yes, man. When I make mango juice, you don't peel mango. You just wash your mango and slice up everything. My people. Yeah, man. So just wash your mango as I said. Slice up everything to the blender. Listen, people, so stay tuned and as soon as the process I go on and me done. See? Mango time, mango time. I finished with the apple. Okay, so I'm doing the ginger now to do the mango. I'm not gonna drink the two of them tonight, right? We're gonna put one on the fridge for tomorrow. Okay. Mango time, mango time, mango time. Here we have the apple juice. Here we have the apple juice here. Now we are blending in the mango. See? That's the mango there. Mango with ginger. So mango blend with ginger. So this is how it works. Now you mix it. See? Just strain it. Okay. All you need in this is just the sugar and a little tip of salt. Yeah. Reason why you have to put a tip of salt, you don't want to go live in your restroom, okay? Yeah, so you have to put a little bit of salt. Yeah, people, so that's it. I'm gonna go to the food pot. Okay, people, okay, people, okay, people. So this is it now, people, this is it. We're gonna eat, we're gonna eat, we're gonna eat. Okay? So this is the festival as I told you. Yeah. We're gonna eat. See? I'm making a big plate. Yeah, we're gonna make a big plate. Okay? This is the festival here. See? Okay? Now we have a stew over here. This is it. We have saltfish and whatever in my video there. Okay. No, I don't eat it. See? Yeah. So I'm gonna rest this here. Okay. That's the dinner for today or tonight or whatever. Now here we have the apple juice here in the bucket. See? Take a look. Apple juice. Apple juice. Ginger, so I'm gonna pour some in this. Okay. So there we go. Now we have a fork here. Okay, I'm gonna remove this a bit. Wow, so here we go, people, here we go again. So this is the stew peas with saltfish, and this is the festival, okay? Yeah, people, so thanks for watching my channel. Blessing goes out to all of my subscribers, okay? And thanks for watching my channel, and blessing to all of those who do not see my channel as yet. Okay, you know, one love, blessing goes on. Yeah. So I'm gonna pour my apple juice here. Okay. I'm gonna drink all of this. I'm gonna eat all of this. Okay, people. So I don't know my slang. I know one of my paper. Pata time, pata time, pata time. Yes, people. So I don't know a thing. Well, I did it again. We did it again. I did it again. Okay. So like, subscribe, and share to my channel, please. And please click the notification bell. Okay. So each time I have a video, you will actually get it to watch. Okay. So this is it, people. So I'm going to eat some food now, right? Because I'm pretty hungry. Yeah, I'm pretty hungry. Okay. So there we go. There we go. Okay. Peace.